My grandfather had a saying that partnerships were rarely made in heaven. That was his way of saying that partnerships don't last forever. Most people, when they start a business, they're only focused on what they're gonna do, how they're gonna make money with their partners immediately when they start doing their business. They don't think about what's gonna happen at the end. Whether the end comes in 1 year or in 20 years, most partnerships come to an end. How you plan for that in the beginning of the partnership will determine to a large extent how things will shake out in the end. Smart business people plan for the partnership coming to an end at the beginning, and they have agreements in place to help them avoid disputes down the road. When someone wants out, everyone knows what their rights are, everyone knows what their obligations, everyone can plan accordingly. Things that you can include in an agreement are specific procedures and formulas to determine the value of the business. So when a partner wants out, he knows exactly how much money he's gonna get when he's gonna leave, and you know how much money you're gonna have to pay him. Or if you're in reverse shoes, everyone knows what's gonna happen. Typically, those kind of agreements will also have events that can cause a trigger, and it can say deadlines. You can't leave after a certain date, and if you do leave, you have to give so much notice, and you have to accept certain financing provisions that have to be followed out over time. This gives the partners ability to know what it means to leave and what it means when someone else leaves, and they know it in the very beginning so everyone can make their decisions and plan their lives accordingly. Not having agreements in place can lead to court-ordered liquidation. The parties lose control over what's going to happen. It's very hard to plan for that. At Venezia Associates, we can help you both prepare agreements that avoid disputes down the road, and if you are in a dispute, we have the agreements to help you sort it out to get the best outcome possible.